Hello students, today we are going to discuss class 10 information technology part B word processing, and today's topic is how to insert shapes and text wrapping. To insert shapes, all types of shapes are already available in the document. To draw any geometrical shapes, arrows, equations, flowcharts, all related elements are already available. To insert these shapes, we need to go to the insert menu. In the illustration group, you will find shapes. You should go to the insert menu, illustration group, you will find shapes. Using these shapes, we can draw all types of diagrams. Let us suppose we will draw a flowchart now. This is the document. Let us suppose if we want to draw this diagram, the flow chart, step 1, step 2, all these. So to draw this, we need to go to the insert option. In the shapes, you will find this rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, all are available. Just draw this, okay, and parallelogram. Now what about text? How to add that? Okay, now connector. All the shapes are already available here. Just select the lines connector from here to here. Okay, I'm not drawing completely. Now let us suppose if diagram is completed, if you want to move this image, okay, if you move, it is being changing. Okay, before, once the diagram is completed, we should make it as an image. To make it as an image, select all the elements, control, after selecting all the elements, you just right click, go to grouping group. Once it is grouped, then it will become an image. Then if you move also, it will move entirely. Okay, this is about shapes. You will find many number of shapes, flowchart related, callouts, stars, banners, basic shapes, everything is available here. Okay, and the next topic is text wrapping. If there are images in the document, if text is also included, sometimes you would like to organize the text beside the image, around the image, in front, backside, top, bottom. There are plenty of options are there. How do you want the text to be fit in the picture? Stand alone with the text, below it, above it, along with it. The solution for is text wrapping. Okay, and again this also will see a demo. Okay, let us suppose we are having text here and image here. Now once you double click the image, you will have the text wrapping option. This will inform how to arrange this text as well as image. Okay, square, square is one option. Again in line with the text is normally after that image you will get the text. Square is suitable, and even also you can move like this, you'll get it. And one more option, square, tight, behind text. This is some option you will get on text will be behind. Okay, one more option we'll see is in front, it will overwrite. Edit wrap points. If you want to move the image something, the text to be included something like this, you can change this. This is called as edit wrap points, at which point it has to be the text should be included. Okay, to find this text wrapping options, you need to double click this image, then you will get this format option for text wrapping. So the possible question in this is what are the types of text wrapping? Note down: square, tight, behind text, in front of text. This can be a 2 marks question, asking write any 2 types of text wrapping. You can write inline with text, square, tight, behind text, in front of text, and etc. So you can write types inline, behind, through, and etc. Okay, you can find the text wrapping options. Again, note on this: behind text, in front, square, tight, inline. Hope you have understood text wrapping. Thank you.